Welcome to Magitudes. Let's talk about the pricing of Discord Nitro. The first thing you need to understand is that there are two different types of Nitro. The standard Discord Nitro, as you can see here, which costs $9.99 per month or $99.99 per year. Or Discord Nitro Classic, as you can see here, for $4.99 per month or $49.99 per year. Now, as far as the difference between Discord Nitro and Discord Nitro Classic goes, Discord Nitro Classic does not include 2 server boosts, has 50 MB upload instead of 100 MB, and as far as video goes, it's only up to 1080p resolution and up to 60 FPS, while with Discord Nitro you enjoy video in HD quality. Another thing I would like you to pay attention to is that these two are actually auto-recurring subscriptions. So that means that you will be billed either monthly or yearly depending on the plan you choose. To make sure that these subscriptions will stop, you will need to manually cancel them. That's really important. You may, however, cancel at any time, as Discord points out here. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye guys!